Ponytails here. Today I'm going to be doing a natural hair tutorial. So I'm going to be doing a low tension, kinky curly ponytail extension hairstyle on my 4C natural hair. So I partnered with BetterLength to bring you this video, and I will be using their 100% human hair ponytail extensions. This one is in the texture Afro Kinky Curly in the 18 inches because I wanted more length this time. So this is the natural texture of the ponytail out of the box. So I did go ahead and wash the ponytail, and then I conditioned it to make it nice and soft and allow the curls to pop more. And I followed up by styling with some gel and allowing it to air dry overnight before I use it. So I'm just taking my hair down. So I will be starting by doing a horizontal part to part off the front. So I just start by doing a part, going straight back. And then I split that part into two by doing another part halfway through. I'm using some hair wax just to slick down that twist a little bit so that it looks nice and uniform. So when you're done twisting, the key is to twist it in the same direction so that it stays looking tight. And take the scrunchie out, tuck it in. Now it's time to put the back of my hair into a ponytail. So I'm going for low tension. So I'm just using some of that hair wax around the perimeter of my nape. And then I brush it up into that ponytail. Wrap it around, not too tight. Make sure that I can smile without it hurting. That's the tension test for me. If I can smile and there's no pain, then it is loose enough for me, but tight enough to keep that hairstyle in place. So for the back, I'm just going to be plaiting it and then tying it with a rubber band. So I'm going to be attaching the clip right here to the top of my bun to secure the ponytail. Once the ponytail is secure, now I will be using the Velcro wraparound piece to tighten it and to make sure that it doesn't move. Then I bring it over and attach it to that Velcro. And then for this section, you just wrap it around that base so that it can hide the ponytail base. And now I have a beautiful full ponytail. And this ponytail is super full. They did update their ponytail, so it's more dense. It looks really thick. Okay, so this is the end result of my ponytail extensions by BetterLength, the wrap around method. This is a new method for me. I'm so used to the drawstring method, but this method makes it a lot easier to hide the tracks without you having to take out some of the hair and wrap it around yourself. And it feels very secure on the head. I was a bit worried, like, oh, is it going to feel loose, like it's going to fall off? But no, it feels really, really secure with that Velcro. They put on some really strong Velcro on this ponytail. But overall, it is a beautiful piece. Like, I love the density. It is super, super thick. So if you love going for that bold look and you don't like your ponytails looking bone or thin, then you will definitely love this. And the hair is super soft. It feels very natural, and I love the way it blends with my natural hair as well, being that it is kinky curly. You know, you don't have to work as hard trying to make the hair super sleek and super smooth. You just have to, you know, do the least. And I love that I turned this into a low tension ponytail. So yes, low tension does not automatically cancel out ponytails. It's all about how you prep your hair. So if you want to turn it into low tension, one of my favorite things to do is put some flat twists in the front of that ponytail, because flat twists are very gentle. They are a very loose style that doesn't pull on the scalp, but it creates a nice uniform look in the front. So that was the perfect choice for me, being that I'm on this low tension hairstyle journey. So yeah, I highly recommend. I will leave the link down below to check out BetterLength website and the coupon code you can use to save on your wraparound ponytail extensions. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below. Subscribe for weekly videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!